Good day, you all. Good morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on the time you are watching this video. This is the voice of Halleyakars, also known as Halleyakars, and this is Halleyakars official YouTube channel. Okay, quickly, what I will be showing you in this video is how to remove a background of an image or images with the use of photo room. Photo room, yes, is an application where you can use to remove backgrounds of images, and also I will also be showing you how to blur icons or images with the use of this same photo room. Okay, so stay with me as I guide you. So what you need to do is open your photo room app. This is how the interface looks like. Okay, so I might have some lagging problem because I'm still using the old version, I guess. So what we click, you click on start from photo. This is if you just want to remove only just one picture. Let's take, for instance, let's use this. Okay, it uses internet connection. It is not an offline application, so it uses the net. So let's see. Okay, this is what you are going to see next. This is what you are going to see. So pay close attention. You see this first image with the white background, you see the other one with the black background, you see the next having like a chess format. That's when you're going to click on that third one, and this is what's going to show you. So all you need to do now is to click. You see this top, you see this arrow that says back, then you see the undo and undo button, then you see this save icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. You see now, you see collaborate, photo room link, export, and you see share. Then you click on save to gallery. Automatically it will save to your gallery. Okay, let's say for instance now you want to blur this image. You might see some designs now. That's the latest trend of designs now, where you will see icon, they will blur the WhatsApp icon, blur the or like call it blur the Facebook icon, and depending on what you are designing. Okay, so you just click on person. See this now, click on person, then you go down, scroll down till you see blur. This is blur, this green here. Then you click on it, then you see what I'm trying to say. So here is in Boki. So now it's in Boki. So all you need, if this is not what you want, if you want Gaussian, it will be like this. If you want motion, you see the picture is in motion, is vibrating, or hexagon. If you want square, box, or disc, whichever one you want. Let's look at Gaussian. Gaussian now is in 10. You can increase it to anyhow you want it to be. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Then if you are done, you can now click on save. Let's go in 25. You can now click on this top icon of save. Then you save it to your gallery. Okay, so the next thing I'll be teaching you is, let us look at how to remove more than one pictures. Yes, multiple pictures. Let's just look at that. Okay, so this is the page you meet when you open your app. So you see this discover batch my content. Click on batch, then click on start batch. Then let's click on the images you want to remove. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try 4. You can do up to 10, 20, 30, 40. I think even up to 100. But let's try 4, or let's say 4. Okay, then click on the check mark. Okay, wait for it to load. It is estimating the time, 9 seconds, 6 seconds. You see, I told you before, I'm using, I think, a less version. This version has not been updated. So I'll click on open last batch. So to click on loading. Okay, then it has loaded completely. You click on what? Export 4 images. Okay, before that, before that, when it's like this, if you click on export for images, it will have a white background. But to prevent that, what do? Come to the bottom here, you see this first one has a white background, this one has a black background. Remember what I told you when we were removing that single picture? I told you pick the one that has a check mark, sorry, a chess mark. So pick this one. Automatically it makes everything to look like that. Sorry for my photo room is stopping. Open last batch. So it has everything like this. So you just click on export for images, save to gallery. Automatically all those has been saved to your gallery. Okay, so that's all for today's tutorial. Remember, in case you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe, like the video. In case you are having any difficulty, please do well to say it in the comment section, and don't forget that you can get this photo room app on Google Play Store. Okay, see you, stay blessed, see you in my next video. I love you.